Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Facebook no internet connection. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here we're going to make sure that our app is fully updated because sometimes that can be a main issue. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to close Facebook, and then from here you're going to go to the Play Store or the App Store, whatever choice is necessary. Then from here you're going to click on search and then search for Facebook. Now from here you can see click on it. If it said update instead of the button that says open, then you're going to make sure to click on that and make sure that it fully updates for that. Now it might be from your internet connection manually, so just for a moment just simply try to scroll down, and then from here you can see where it says internet, and then switch it so that you can use your data instead of your Wi-Fi. If you switch that and then try and then it opens and works, then the problem is from your internet, and you can then just contact your internet provider or let someone help you to make sure that it's working properly. Finally, you're going to make sure that Facebook is fully cleared from all of the issues. You can do that by going down and then search for settings. Once you search for settings, you can see right here in the third app section that says apps. Click on that. Then from apps you can see Facebook as one of the recent apps, but you can also do is click on see all apps and search for it. Then from here you're going to search for Facebook. Once you find this about the app information, you're going to simply scroll down until you see the storage and cache. Click on that, and then once you do that you're going to simply click on clear cache. Once you clear the cache, then close Facebook fully. And then from here now, as a final resort, you can restart your phone and then go and try to log into Facebook again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.